And before we start, I would like to thank Masamune Studio for sponsoring this video, and more about them later. Hi everyone, Gunpla here. Thank you for joining me for another unboxing, and today we're gonna unbox the SDW Heroes Edward 2nd V or 2nd 5. So let me know in the comments what's that? Is it 2nd 5 or 2nd V? So looking at the cover art, it looks like this one is also a pirate, just like the Benjamin V2 Gundam. So looking at it, it looks nice. I think this is a Reaper or something. And this is released in 2021. So it's just this year. I think it was a couple of months ago. And this one is made in China. And it has the Bandai Blue logo. And then looking at the side, you have the standard link about the anime series. And we have all the legal stuff in here. And then on the shorter side, this is the 5th from the SD World Heroes line. And you can see this is a duplicate of the artwork in the cover. So at this side, you can see a front view of the Gunpla and then a short description about it. And then here is the rear view of the Gunpla as well. And then you can see this, the weapon is called Badinage. So I'm not sure if I pronounced that correctly. And then an action pose. And then as you can see, this is the Mega Lyre, which is, I think it's a cannon. Yeah, it's a cannon weapon. And then this is the artwork or the picture where the Mega Cannon is mounted on the shoulder. So in this one, or in this side rather, this is a similar side as the other shoulder side. So we're gonna see what's inside the box. If I could open it. So we have 1, 2, 3 bags for this one, and then we have the manual. So looking at the manual, it's pretty standard for the SD World Hero series. You have the image from the cover art here. You have the image of the Gundam and then a short description about it. Then at the back, it's similar to what we saw from the box. You can see a front, a rear, and an action pose here with the weapons in there. And then here at the bottom, you have a short description regarding the Sun Quan Gundam Astray. If you want to read it, you can just pause it and then just read the short description. Then looking at the inside, we have the standard manga style spread here. And then we have the standard building instruction, similar to what we have from the other SD World Heroes kit. And then the warnings here. And then we have the runner list or parts list. So everything is going to be used in this kit. So that is your manual. First, we're gonna see the A-Runner. So this is now the traditional or standard A-Runner for the SDW World Heroes. So it's in the gray color and you have the torso and the hips, ear, and the other joints. Next is the B-Runner. So B-Runner comes in the white color, which is also similar to the Benjamin V2 Gundam. You have the head here, the weapons, and some of the armor, probably the shoulder armors are here. So that's your B-Runner. Next is the C-Runner. So C-Runner comes in the black color or darker gray color. As you can see, these are the headpiece, the cannon, and some part of the cloth are in here. So that's your C-Runner. Next is the D-Runner. So D-Runner comes in the metallic gold color. As you can see, this is the V fin here. And then the thruster and some part of the cloth and some part of the armors. So that's your D-Runner. Next is the E-Runner. So E-Runner comes in the red color. As you can see, these are the feet. And the eyes are in here, as well as some bandana or cloth are in here. So that's your E-Runner. Lastly, for the runners, we have the F-Runner. So F-Runner comes in the clear blue color. So these are the parts for the cannon. and that's for the torso or the back. So that's your F runner. Lastly, we got the foil sheet or color correction sticker. So we don't have a bigger color correction sticker aside from this one, but we have a lot of color correction. So I'm guessing there will be some parts that are going to be painted in this kit, and that's your foil sticker. And that was the unboxing of the SDW Heroes Edward 2nd V. So it's pretty similar to the other SD World Heroes kit. So the detail is amazing. With that, I think we need to compensate with the amount of stickers that we need to put. But all in all, I think this is going to be a nice build. Most of the runners are now standardized among the other SD kits. So the colors and the numbers or the letters are the same. And I'm anticipating a number of parts that needs to be painted for this kit. So that will be the downside for this kit. With that, I would like to thank Masamune Studio for sponsoring this video. You can go to their website to grab this kit, or you can check their wide variety of model kits. They have a lot of P-Bandais in there. They have tools, building materials, and many more. So check out their website, link in the description. Again, if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment. I need to know if that's second V or second 5. So let me know in the comments. And lastly, thank you for watching and keep building.